Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this recessed mount LED flood beam boat spreader light. Now this heavy duty LED spreader light is going to produce a soft red light, as you can see right now, or a bright white light to light up the deck of your boat to help improve visibility and safety. Now let me go ahead and disconnect the red from my power source and connect the white so you can get an idea of just how bright this is. This white flood beam is going to give you a wide area of visibility aboard your boat, and that red light is going to give you moderate visibility without interfering with your natural night vision. Now let me go ahead and zoom out and give you an idea of how bright this is even with my studio lights on. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off here in my studio just so you can see just how bright this is. So I'm going to shine this on my table here, back this up a little bit. And the light output of the white light is 700 lumens, so you can get an idea of just how bright that is. Then let me go ahead and hook up the red light functionality. There we go. And the red light output is 300 lumens. So very consistent light. And these are some premium LEDs. We have 4 LEDs, 2 white and 2 red. And of course, LEDs are energy efficient, and they're going to be long lasting, obviously longer lasting than your regular incandescent bulbs. And this is also, the LEDs are also going to be vibration resistant, and they are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. Now this features an anodized aluminum impact resistant polycarbonate housing and a UV resistant lens that are all sealed for a waterproof unit. This construction is going to ensure that this is going to function in extreme circumstances. The white powder coating on the housing is going to prevent corrosion. This has an IP rating of 68, so this is going to be able to withstand dust and dirt and sand, and it's going to be resistant to submersion up to a maximum depth of about 1.5 meters underwater for about 30 minutes. Now the circuit board is of a military grade construction, and the urethane potting is going to offer you better heat protection than common epoxy potting, and the thermal regulation is going to protect against overheating. So again, this is a recessed mount insulation. It does include the mounting flange, but it will require a cutout, and I do want to point out that hardware is not included. So this is going to hardwire to your 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. The wire length is about 9 inches long, and the input voltage is from 9 volts to 30 volts. Let me go ahead and retrieve my ruler here and give you some overall measurements so you can be confident this is going to work for you. So beginning with the overall length, we are sitting right at about 4 7/8 inches long. Now lining up those mounting holes center to center, we're sitting right at 4.5 inches long. And then the overall width, we are sitting right at about 1 3/4 inches wide. And then the overall thickness, we are sitting right at about 1 1/4 inches thick from the mounting flange there. Now this does have a limited lifetime warranty, and again this is a very well built, very well constructed light. So as I mentioned, I think this is going to hold up really well for you, and I think you're going to be very happy with the quality of the light that this is going to provide. So if this light meets the specifications that you are looking for, I think this is going to be a really good item for you to consider. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.